Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC DAO tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be taking us on how to farm NOTAI on Telegram. NOTAI is the first AI-based super app built on Telegram. Before we get started, if you've been finding our tutorial video helpful, do well to support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat, which is on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address will be on the description below. So to get started, I open my Twitter and you search for NOTAI. Let me do this all over again. I search for NOTAI. This comes up and I click on their Telegram link. Please avoid clicking links from the comment section to avoid being scammed, because there are so many scam links out there. So do make sure you click the link directly from them. So I click on start, I click on launch. I start my NOTAI bot. So in here, there is the home page of the NOTAI bot, and this is friends. In here you can copy your invite link and send it to your friends. Also, there are certain tasks you need to perform to gain points. For example, liking and retweeting their post on X, joining Telegram, daily bonuses. Every day you come back to claim bonuses each and every day, every 24 hours. You also have to refer a friend, just one person, to get 10,000 points. And here in the lab, you earn more power by upgrading the fire training arms. You upgrade the first aid kits. You upgrade your tactical movements, strength training. I would do this. I click on the tactical movements and I click on upgrade. Now this takes my tactical movements to another level entirely, right? You do same for the engineer tab. You do same for the head hunter, just to be ahead of the game, right? So in this middle part of the app is where you can actually play the NOTAI game. We wait for this to load. So you click on tab to leave the city. Now this is the app, this is the game itself. You try not to get killed and you keep shooting. As you are shooting, you are earning points. As you can see, I've killed my enemies. I'm killing my enemies still, and I'm earning more points. So these are the things you could be doing to earn more points on NOTAI. So I quit the game and I go back to the home page. And on this home page, you can use the coin you've earned, right? You can use the coin you've earned to level up. I click on this level. I choose to upgrade my level. Click on upgrade. As you can see, I'll be charged 194,000 of the NOTAI coin to upgrade to another new level. So I click on upgrade and I've been upgraded from level 14 to level 15. Let's see if that worked. Now I'm in level 15. You can do same for your rank and also for your Deadpool. Your Deadpool determines the amount of bots you've killed in the game, right? And this is surely your ranking, what level you are in the game, the number you are in the game. I am number 10,000 plus, probably below that, right? So this is how to farm the NOTAI on your Telegram. Thank you for watching today's tutorial video. Do well to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for more educative content. Thank you. See you on our next video.